see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Here's the under fender wheels. They ain't in too bad of a shape. A little surface rust here. But other than that, I think we're good to go. This red clay there. This surface rust there. I think I'm a Bedliner. This bottom side and the top side gonna be candy. That's what I'm thinking of going with. I'm just gonna clean them up right now. Our next task on the OBS is blacking out the inner fender wheels. As you can recall, when I had did the engine bay, I painted the engine bay and I had repaired the inner fender wheels because it was surface rust and it had a little rust here and there. And I had already primed them, so we don't have to worry about cleaning it or doing that. But we're gonna do the inner fender wheels on the cab, also on the bed. Let me show you what I'm gonna be using. It's the Speedokote, SpeedoLINER, the T-Rex. I got 2 cans and an activator here, and it come with a gun. And I also got the rubber for the A-arms because the ones that was on there, it was busted up. It's the A-arm dust shield, 3-piece, and it goes right here. One go right here, and the other piece go here. Also on this side here, it just goes here. Nothing goes there. And I got it from Rubber the Right Way. Our first step on doing this here is we're gonna mask up along this bottom edge here to keep getting overspray back into the engine bay. So let's take care of that. You can see I got this here back mask it from the back side of it all the way around. Also done this side. Now I take me some plastic and just overlap all this here, cover it up, then just connect it to the tape. There you have it. Got the plastic ran down. Now I take me some tape and just take this lip off here. Keep it off there. See, I got this lip taped off. I didn't press the outside part because I'm going to take some plastic and put up here and just drape it down and trim this inner fender wheel out. See, I got the plastic from one end to the other. Then I just connect it to the tape. Once I do that all the way around, I trim it out. See, I took my razor blade and just trimmed it out. Now you're good to go. It's sealed. Ain't no overspray getting nowhere. Now I got to do the other side. Then I think I'll be ready to start spraying some Bedliner. Here's the gun here. I'll take it out the box. It comes with 2 tubes, but you're gonna have to get your own fitting as far as connecting it to the air hose. This tube is for these canisters here. I guess this one here for a small canister, and it comes with mixing cups. And you got let me see, I think it's 8 ounces. Yeah, add 8 ounces of activator to each container. Replace cap and shake filled bottle. So let me connect the gun and put my 8 ounces of activator in here and shake it up, and then we'll be ready to spray. Comes with a sticker too. Guess I'll put my sticker over here with the rest on. Now we'll put this top back on, shake it up. I've been shaking it for around about 3 minutes. It say to shake it between 2 to 3 minutes. And attach the gun. Adjust your air pressure to 60 to 80 psi. I think I'm gonna start out with 60 because I want my texture more grittier. I don't want it fine. It said apply 1 full wet coat until desired texture. You want to go lightly your first time spraying it because you want to get the feel of the gun. Because when I was spraying it right here at first, I put too much. I was too close. I didn't have the feel, so I had to wipe it down because it was just running. So I wiped it and resprayed it till I got the feel of it. We're gonna let this dry, then we'll unmask. We'll put our A-arm covers on. See what we're working with. These are the new A-arm dust shields. I just got to install them. We go to the old ones here. See, they was ripped up. Let me take you over here and show you. It done dried up now. Let me go and put the dust shields on. Then I'll cut you back on.
We never stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from